So in this part of the video I would like to show you a couple of sample images we can collect with this microscope. Basically I start with the Brightfield, and right now we have 5x objective lens in action. So I switch to 10x. You will see this image. And we go to 20x objective lens. And next is 50x. If you like to readjust the focus, you might need to retune it a little bit. And 100x, since the sample is a little bit thick, so all of them will not be at the same time in focus. This is a Brightfield. So in this part of the video I would like to show you the image quality of this microscope in reflected mode for Brightfield imaging. And as you can see, the light at the top is on by using this switch, and 5x objective lens is in action. I'm using one of our filters, which is light balance neutral density filter. And you see the 5x objective lens in the monitor. I switch to 10x. We adjust the focus a little bit, and the sample I'm using here, it is a $2 coin. I switch to 20x. Need to readjust the focus, but obviously we don't expect to see all of the samples in focus because the sample is not fully flat, and it has some bumps or damages on the surface, and you can see this very well. And currently we see the images at 50x objective lens, and I switch to 100x, and we adjust the focus, and again, depending on the location of the stage or the height, we can see some part of the sample in focus.